So, nandito tayo ngayon sa train station at hindi ko nagagawin yung ginawa ko kanina. Pero, bibili muna ako ng pagkain bago ako sumakay. Pero bago yan, bibili na muna ako ng ticket ko. Ganito pala siya, guys. Kapag ka bumili ka ng HSR ticket, meron siyang reserved and non-reserved ticket. For the reserved one, mas mahal. Pero meron kang upuan. Parang sure yung upuan mo, ganon. Like, meron kang, basta sure yung upuan mo. Non-reserved naman, hindi sure yung upuan mo. So, pwede kang umupo kahit saan from from car 9 to 12 yung pamimilian mo. Tapos, paunahan makaupo, ganon. Kung saan mo gustong seat, ganyan. Next time, I mean, if you're gonna go here sa Chiayi, tapos DIY ka lang, siguro mas better yung non-reserve ka na lang. Kasi mas mura siya. The same lang din naman. Yun lang naman. Hi guys, so I'm on my way to Taipei. So I went to Chiayi, from the National Chungcheon University, the filming location of Meteor Garden, the Yingde University. So I booked a taxi through Uber, and the taxi driver cannot speak English. So we tried the translator app, and the translation, I think, is incorrect. And because the translation shows that I am naughty, so I thought he was referring to me putting a wrong pin location for the pickup, because I told him to get inside the university, even though the pin location is outside the university. So I thought he got angry because of that. And thankfully, I have a friend here in Taiwan. She's Alice. You met her already. I've showed her to one of my vlogs, the AFECA 2024. So, yeah, I called her. I told her, sis, can I call you? Because the driver cannot understand English. And she told me, of course, yeah. Then, they talked. So, the driver just wants me to say to him that I'm going to the Chiayi train station. So I think we talked, the taxi driver and I talked for like, I think 3-5 minutes, and we cannot understand each other. So thankfully we have Alice, and she helped me. So yeah, I'm thankful to Alice, and I love her. And we're going to meet, actually. We're going to have dinner. So yeah, thank you, Alice. She saved me. Hi! So you have something for me? Yeah, I have to guess.
Just take a guess. It's related to one of your favorite food, but it's not edible.
She's been telling me that, but I can't think of it. My favorite food.
You can use it every day.
I can use it every day? Oh my god. Wait.
Hi. It's daily commodity, but basically you can use it every day.
Well, I can
Okay,
use
it's
it.
related.
Ball pen?
No.
Pencil?
Do you want a more specific hint?
Yeah.
Okay, it's a skincare product, but you'll never think you would have never seen this kind of skincare product before. I mean, this flavor, this style.
Oh my gosh. Is it the lipstick?
No,
Lip balm.
no. You would want to use it before. I mean, after taking a shower.
Lotion. Oh, moisturizer.
No, but
Serum?
the function is It's the same function.
It's the same function.
Not the lotion, not the moisturizer.
Oh my god.
You have to use it for like, you have to let it stay on your face for like 20 minutes.
Face mask?
Yeah.
Yeah, a face mask. And the flavor is my favorite
You mentioned
food,
to me.
strawberry.
No.
No?
It's another fruit.
It's another fruit that I've mentioned to her.
Directly.
Yeah, okay, hold on. Mango! Yeah!
I'll just show the camera.
Wow!
It's mango shaped ice.
Oh my god! I'm so sorry. Are they used to loud noises here in
It's okay,
Taiwan?
it's
Okay, okay.
You're in public.
Yeah.
Oh, this
Place.
night market. It's okay to talk loud.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, you bought me like a bingsu face mask. Thank you so
hope you
much.
like it.
Yes, I loved it.
At the first time, I think, wow, this is so cool. And I've never seen this kind of
Yeah.
mask, but I saw people recommended this on the net, so I think it would be great.
Yeah. I just hope that I will not eat it right after using it.
Just make sure you won't eat that.
Yeah. Thank you, Alice.
One is egg yolk, pork floss, taro snack. So it's called Dan Huang.
Tan Wang.
The Dan,
Tan.
it's like the
Did. Yeah. Then.
yeah, Dan.
Tan.
Yeah, that's correct. Huang.
Tan Wang.
Oh yeah, Dan Huang.
Tan Wang Ro.
肉松
Tan Wang Ro. So.
呀，日头
Turtle.
，yeah，酥
Soup.
呀，蛋黄
Tan Wang.
肉松
Ro Song.
日头
Turtle.
酥
Soup.
That's challenging. 蛋黄肉松日头。
I can't say that.
You say it very well.
Really?
Yeah, you do.
Ni hao.
Hi.
Ni hao. How do you say take a shishi?
Oh, yes, 谢谢。
Shishi.
Yeah,
So we're trying this specific.
and I believe it's super hot.
Later we will eat that.
How do you say it? Okay.
Tanwa. Ro Song.
日头
Erto.
酥
Su.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's super hot.
Yeah.
Have you ordered your?
Wait, I am remembering the curse word. I'm gonna. Oh, so look at.
So cute.
You just pay in there. They trust us enough.
Because the safety in Taiwan is amazing. Even if you put your laptop or your phones on the table of
Yeah.
the coffee shop and you went to the toilet
Yeah.
and come back, it will be still there.
Yeah, don't do that in the Philippines. Hey, I'm not degrading our country. I love my country. However, sometimes, I have to tell, she's a friend. So I have to tell her
It's
the
about the
truth.
people, not your whole country.
Yeah.
I can understand that.
Yeah, right.
I also have family in Taiwan.
Yeah. Well, when I arrived here, I've been telling the vlog that Taiwan is just so chill. Like, nobody's that, like, it's so cozy. Like, the feeling was so cozy.
Yeah, but depends on the place.
Depends on the place.
Yeah.
So we're eating the, what do you call this one? Omelette?
Taiwanese omelets.
Yeah.
It's really good.
It's really good.
With the cabbage inside.
Yeah. Only cabbage? This is only cabbage, I think.
Cabbage and the egg, and there is cabbage and egg.
Really?
It's really good.
Oh my god, it's so good.
Take from here to my home. I'm gonna try.
This one is so good.
I'm so glad that you like every food I recommend.
Yeah. It fits my taste actually. I would be honest if I don't find it like good. But it's good. We have this very famous song right now. It's Pangarap Lang Kita. It translates to you're a girl of my dream or a boy of my dream, or like you're a dream to me, like you're so far, you're so close yet so far, kind of a song. So it says Pangarap Lang Kita. Yeah, Pangarap Lang Kita. So Pangarap is like a dream. Yeah. So yeah, it tells like you're my dream person. Yeah, and I want you, but you're too close, but still feel so far away. Yeah, like that. So there's a part, like there's a Chinese part or Mandarin. I don't know I don't know it, but it's a Chinese part. It's like the bridge part. Yeah, you try to figure out if I pronounce it like correctly. Then I'm gonna let you listen to that song
okay.
later. So I'm laughing because it's so funny, really.
You're gonna say it.
Yeah. If you know, well, of course we do have like different humor because we're from different countries. But you know, Filipino humor is like really, it's so.
What kind of humor do you guys prefer?
It's really, I don't know, it's just so random. Like I think every Filipino.
Taiwan as well.
Right? I think, I don't know, it's just so different. She Okay, 1, 2. 是的，我很爱你，我没办法告诉你，我惊讶你有深爱，我是耳朵心上的爱。It's the Chinese part. So,
Is it from the singer from the
yeah.
Oh.
虽然
Yeah.
虽然虽然
我 means I.
虽然
Yeah,
虽然我很爱你，
对。
虽然我很爱你
Yeah, I can
虽然我很爱你，我没办法告诉你，我心中心中
Yeah,
心中我心中已有真爱，我心真的爱。How do you say like the last part?
但是希望，
但是希望，
但
只希望希望
Yeah, that means hope.
哦，希望。
希望。
I hope I don't forget it. 虽然我
I can send you the voice
爱你
message for you to practice.
Yeah, 我没办法告诉你，我心中已有心
Yeah. Sing.
心
Exactly. Sing.
我心中已有真爱，我紧紧的爱。
但是
How do you say I love you here? 我们我
I love you.
yeah 我爱
爱
你
你，Yeah.
我爱你。What is 你要的爱？你要的爱？
哦，你要的爱。The love, the kind of love you want.
Oh, the kind of love you want. So this translates it.
Yeah.
我明白。
我明白啊，that means oh I understand.
我要的爱。How? What's that?
我要的爱 means the love I want.
Oh, it's like the series that I've talked to you about, the Meteor Garden, right? That's why I went to that place because you know I love it. Yeah, that's where they filmed it.
That's the reason you went there.
Yeah, that's So we're inside the train. And this is Alice, guys, the one that I've been talking about since earlier. Because they know that I'm gonna meet you today. I've been telling them that I'm gonna meet my friend today. Yeah. So we're going home now. We did not vlog everything because the memories is much more important. So we're gonna see each other soon again. When she comes to the Philippines and when I come back here. And that's soon for me.
I hope it will still be visa free.
Yeah. And I have she registered me to a U-bike. So I'll be able to use this to ride a bike.
is all set.
Hi. See you again next time, sis. What's sis in Tagalog? The one that I taught you.
Mare.
Mare. Woman. We sang that when we were in AFECA in 2023.
2023.
Yeah, Patrick is the one. Yeah,
2023 and 2024 are
yeah. And then we saw each other in 2024, and she's so busy because she's a participant that time.
What?
You were a participant.
Oh, yeah.
She's so busy. And meanwhile, I'm just, a supporter back then.
But I was really glad to see you support
Yeah, me
us.
too. Of course, I will support everyone that I know there. I mean, not just our team. Because,
For everyone you know.
Because, that time, I was just really glad that I saw you guys there competing again. It feels like, I'm like, oh my gosh, my friends.
Oh my god, it's your smile.
Oh, here? Oh my gosh.
Recorded again.
Yeah? What did you
Said
say?
that your station is almost ending, so I will miss you.
That is so goodbye, sis. Ang aking kumare. My kumare. Is it near? Hi guys. So after spending my time with Alice today, I really had fun and we're going to do that again soon. So, ayun, I'm on my way home. Siguro, titingnan ko pa if kaya pa nung legs ko. Pero I'm planning to magbike around the area here in Shilin and see if may mga stores or ano yung mga nandito. Pero check pa natin kasi gabi na din. So, ayun. Dito lang naman yung place ko. Wait lang, before ako pumunta inside, I've been curious what's here. Baklang-bakla yung pangalan. Vogeva. 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 So, dito lang ako sa naglalakad lang ako. Before ako bumalik sa accommodation ko, tinignan ko lang itong nasa paligid ng hotel ko. So, check lang kung ano meron dito. Kasi parang buhay din siya, oh. So, ayun, check natin. Diyos ko, nasa may Shilin Market pala yun. Dito na ako. Malapit lang pala sa accommodation ko. Buti na lang, di ba? Nag-explore. Kundi di ko pa ito malalaman. Kailangan ko guys ng gamit ko for tomorrow. Kasi plan ko talaga bumili. Ano to? G-Hair Road. So ito na yun. My gosh, Shilin lang pala ako. Ayun guys, so yung sinabi ko kanina na mag-walk around lang ako dito sa malapit sa accommodation. Ngayon ko lang nalaman na sa malapit pala ako sa Shilin Market. I mean, may part. Kasi yung simula ng Shilin Market, I think dun sa may Jianchan. Basta dun sa R15 na station. Saan muna ako dadaan? Hindi ko natanda. Kahapon, hindi nga ako nakapaggala dun kasi sobrang lakas ng ulan. Bumili na ako ng stinky tofu na hindi ko rin kinaya. So, yun. And sabi ko nga, maggagala lang ako dito around my accommodation. And yun nga, nalaman ko na, my gosh, malapit lang pala ako sa Shilin. Good still nga yun nabili ko. It's 260, meron akong palda and shirt. So, ayun yung susuotin ko bukas. Diba? Perfect. So, ito na. Dito na ako sa accommodation ko. So, continue ko na lang ito pag-task ko. Hello. So, ayan. Umalis na ako sa aking accommodation and I'm on my way sa Shilin Station to go to Taipei. Then, I'll just drop my luggage sa locker, sa mga locker doon. Then, full day, I still have one full day to roam around Taipei. And, yeah, I will enjoy yung last remaining hours ko here. And, pero bago ang lahat, kakain muna ako kasi hindi pa ako kumakain. I'm gonna buy water din muna. Kasi wala na akong tubig kanina. So, ayun, 11 pa lang. 11, 12. Ganyan. So, ayun. Let's go. So, nandito ako sa Taipei 101 na mall. And syempre na videohan ko na yung fantasy kong shanananananana. Pero babalikan ko siya. Pero kakain muna ako kasi di pa ako kumakain. May tao dun sa McDo. As in, madami siya. Saan ako i-exit? Dream country ko kasi po. So, pagpasensyahan nyo na. Ang kailangan ko talaga itibay ng loob kung mayroong pagsubok lang. Ang kailangan ko ay pagkain, dear. Kasi kanina, dapat doon ako sa may yongkang kakain. Kaya lang, medyo aba-aba si Te. Di nagtitink. Nag-enter ulit ako sa sa MRT. So, sabi ko, sige, go. Gawin natin to. Fantasy natin siya. So, tinuloy ko na yung Taipei 101. Ngayon, naghahanap ako ng mga kainan. Kasi yung McDo, kala ko sa restaurant talaga yung parang may pwesto siya. Pero wala, guys. Ano lang siya for takeout ata. Kung sa pipila ka doon, o hanap ka na ng sarili mong pwesto, eh syempre, hindi naman pwede yung ganung atake. Kailangan kong kumain. So, kakain muna ako. Cheers! Wait lang, nandito na yung Taipei 101, guys. Wait lang. Ayan siya. At muntikan pa ako makabangga ng tao. Kailangan ko lang naman ay pagkain. Gusto ko lang naman kumain. Mahirap ba yun? Mag 7-Eleven na lang kaya ako. Diba gusto ko mag-ichiran? Like for my dinner sana last time. Diba hindi matuloy-tuloy? Ngayon, ako angasan. Dahil itutuloy ko na siya ngayon. This is the moment. Jigo Misugan. Yes, so I'm gonna eat at the second branch. And sabi nila, pag daw gutom na gutom ka, huwag kang mag-iichiran. Hindi naman ako gutom na gutom, pero kailangan ko kasing kumain. So, ang lunch ko ngayon, ichiran. Mamaya, dinner ko, I'll try maghanap ng Din Tai Fung. So, ayun. Hindi ko kasi na-explore sa online yung mga local food nila na famous talaga here. Pero yesterday naman, I got to try yung mga dito, mga putahe or pagkain dito because of my friend Alice. So, ayun, siya yung nag-tour sa akin sa Rauhe Market. And, ayun, masarap yung food actually. So, oh my gosh, ayan siya, oh. Maghahanap ako ng perfect photo spot for that. And, mag-take ako, actually may nakita na ako eskinita doon. So, baka doon ako mag-picture-picture. Pero for now, I'm going sa Ichiran. Kasi, goods na ako talaga. Kumuha ako ng number. 3 hours yung waiting time. Ano yun? So, hindi ako kakain doon. Hindi ako kakain doon. So, McDo talaga. Nilakad ko yun. Tapos, ending di rin pala kakain doon. Kasi ang tagal ng waiting time. I'm just gonna go sa McDonald's. And, kakain ako ng corn soup na nirecommend ng friend ko. So, let's go. Hindi na para magtagal pa. Tombots na ako talaga. Oh, nahilo na ako. Keme. So, I'm gonna go shopping here. Because, medyo na boboringan na kasi ako sa mga collection ko. So, baka bumili ako ng 10 Chanel at 17 Saint Laurent. Ano daw? Gusto ko lang mag-McDonald's, babe. Sandali lang. Nagmamantika na siya. Hello? Alamin mo kung ilang bag gusto ni Mama. Ilang Chanel. Alamin mo. Ngayon may nakikita na ako. Kita na ako ng pag-asa, te. Nakakakain na ata ako. May tayo pa dito. May maganap muna ako, te. Bye. Yan, may culminating activity yung mga classmates ko. Ay, wow. Punta ako sa isang photo spot na malapit dito. So, binubulaan ako nung Google Map. Hindi siya lumabas. So, sa Apple, lumabas siya. So, itatry natin sa Apple. Pero dahil pagod na nga ako, magbabike na naman tayo. Sobrang fantasy. Thank you so much to my friend Alice. She registered my EC card to U-Bike. So, now, even though I lost the other one, I now have a new one that is registered. So, all you have to do is to yeah. Keme. Pindutin nyo lang. Pagod siya. Tapos, magsa-search siya. Yeah, tapos pull it backwards. Wait. Sana naman hindi malaglag siya. Baka ako ang... Ay, malalaglag siya, darling. Hindi siya stable. Wait lang. Okay, guys. So, nandito na ako sa Ximending na para bang kumikinding-kinding. Hindi! Wait lang. May Adidas dito. Adidas pa. Yan, bibili tayo ng beef. 80 siya. So, for the eat tayo ng barbecue dito. Lasang beef. Tapos parang di pa luto. Medium rare. Parang di pa luto. Pero masarap naman. Dito muna tayo. Mag-vibe muna tayo. Daming tao sa Ximending. Nahihilo ako. Tingnan nyo. So, andito na ako sa Ichiran. And, tikman natin kung ano nga ba ang pinagkakaguluhan ng mga chikiting ngayon. So, nandito na ako sa loob. And, meron silang water here. Ayan. So, i-figure out ko na lang later kung paano magbayad.
对，这是餐点明细，参考请这个来结账。对，是这个。
Ay, atake. Nandito na si Ate Bambi. Anong iMovie? The Breadwinner. Yes. So, ito na siya. Yan na. Hindi makita. Yan na siya. So, ito. Bigla ko lang siya naisip kanina after ko mag-picture dun sa Taipei 101 ng night time. Sabi ko, bakit hindi nga ako pumunta na lang sa PS Bubu? Total, wala naman akong gagawin eh. As in, Gloria outlet na lang yung activity or like final itinerary ko today. Just to find a shirt or a shoes or clothing na pwede kong mabili sa natitirang pera na meron ako. So sabi ko, why not nga punta na ako PS Bubu? Kasi yun na lang din naman yung parang final filming location na hindi ko pa napupuntahan. Well, marami pa actually yung bridge, yung may map na malaki and all that. Pero kasi iconic din to kasi dito sila nag-date. Tsaka bilang ginagaya ko lang din talaga yung itinerary ng idol ko, si AC Soriano, si Momsh AC. So yun, for the cup, bakit naman kumikidlat-kidlat ka dyan? So yun, pupunta na lang ako doon. And instead of commuting, instead of taking the bus, nag-Uber na lang ako para mabilis ako makapunta doon.
Alam mo, ang ganda mo pala. Pag tumawa ang iyong mata.
At inulan na nga tayo. So, I think hindi na ako makakadaan ng Gloria outlet. I'll just go straight sa airport.